Say hello to this very cool Samsung E900, which was released in 2006. It is in fact the very first Samsung that I've reviewed here on Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews. Discontinued now, of course, used the mini SIM, had a weight of 93 grams and its dimensions were 93 by 45 by 16.5 millimeters. Just a quick shout out for anyone who has a Twitter account. You can follow me at Vintage MPR. That way you'll get notifications earlier than you would do at YouTube of future video releases. With a screen display of 256,000 colours and a resolution of 240 by 320, this particular model came with a 2 megapixel camera. We've got some pictures and video shots coming up shortly. First off, let's listen to some of the ringtones. The E900 didn't have a selfie camera, however it did come with a micro SD slot and internally had 80 meg of memory. Although no LAN, no GPS or radio, it handily did come with Bluetooth. Unfortunately, this particular handset's micro SD slot didn't work, so I had to bounce between this and a Nokia to get the pictures and the video available. Let's have a quick look at some of the pictures and some of the videos that were available with this 2 megapixel camera on the E900. Messaging was through MMS, email, EMS and SMS. It also had a web browser and some games were downloadable. It also had a document viewer, organizer, voice memo and predictive text. With the 800 mAh battery, you had standby time of around 210 hours and a talk time of around 3.5 hours. If you had or have this particular handset, I'd appreciate a couple of comments down there in the comments section. Tell us what you like, what you didn't like. Hope you've enjoyed this small presentation from me, Alan, at Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews. Don't forget the Twitter address there. Thanks for watching Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews.